Alright, I thought this might be a helpful tutorial for you as you're working on adding your own custom graphics to your Unity Playground project in this lesson. So here's a website called Pixlr.com. You can use this for photo editing, and this will be cross-platform, so it'll work nicely for you to take a graphic that you've drawn maybe in Google Draw or somewhere else, Canva or Windows Paint, and if you need to remove the background from it, you can just go over here to the waffle and click this Remove BG, which stands for background. It takes you to this page, which you can select your photos, and I'm going to select one from my downloads that has a white background, and you can see that it automatically removed the white background when it loaded the image. So now I can just save the image to my downloads again, and here it is, but now it's without the white background. So then I can take it and import it into my Unity graphics project. All right, hope that helps you. I'll see you back in the next video.